So do you enjoy being an Uber cab driver?
Yeah, it's alright. Good way to meet new people.
Yeah, meeting new people is great sometimes. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of friends myself. Pretty introverted.
And yeah, I used to have like 0 friends before I became an Uber cab driver. And everyone's so sociable when you pick them up.
Well, that's because half of them are drunk when you pick them up, man. You know what? Maybe you and I could be friends.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah, it was just really cold and had to walk home, and I didn't want to walk home.
Well, you could come back to my place. I don't live very far away.
Yeah, you mean it?
Alright, let's go. It's pretty close to here.